Keeping your DJI Power 2000 up to date is the best way to ensure reliable performance and unlock the latest features. In this video, I'll show you how to update the firmware step by step. Open the DJI Home app on your phone and connect it to the Power 2000. Ensure the station is powered on, charged, and connected to Wi-Fi. In the app, go to Device Settings, tap Firmware Update, and select Update. The device may restart during the process. Don't power it off or exit the app. If you have expansion batteries or a superfast charger connected, the app can update their firmware at the same time. Before starting, disconnect all other electrical devices to ensure the update runs smoothly. First, power off the station. Hold the AC and power buttons together until the USB-C icon blinks on the screen. Connect the station to your computer with a USB-C cable, run DJI Assistant 2 Power Series, select your product, and choose the firmware version. The update will install automatically, and the station will restart once complete. That's all it takes to firmware update your DJI Power 2000. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.